Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Lexus RX350, 2010 to 2015? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the Lexus RX350, 2010 to 2015, the passenger compartment fuse box protects a variety of comfort and electronic systems, such as the 12-volt power outlets, navigation and audio systems, multiplex communication modules, head-up display, air conditioning system, and even the exterior mirror and seat heater controls. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box of the Lexus RX350, 2010 to 2015, houses high-amp fuses that protect major systems like the cooling fans, vehicle stability control, AC blower, power steering, starter and alternator feed, ensuring stable power delivery and safe operation of key components. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.